What's up, fam bam? It's your guy Ron, back to you with another video. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below. Today, I want to talk about something serious. This could actually change your life forever. Let's start. So, guys, today I want to talk about a fear that we all have. It's something that all of us has experienced one way or another, and that is the fear of failure. Okay? Lahat tayo kinakatakutan natin na bumagsak, kinakatakutan natin na magkamali at pumalpak. I mean, bakit nga ba hindi, 'di ba? Failure mo 'yun. Kapag bumagsak tayo or kapag nag-fail tayo sa isang bagay, we should actually embrace and welcome it with open arms. I wanna let you guys know that failure is an instance, okay? It is not something that will define us as a person. Hindi tayo yung failure. Ang failure is an instance in our life. It's something that we experience, and it should never define us as a person. However, this fear of failure is something that prevent us from being a successful person. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit hirap tayong makaangat sa buhay. And guys, don't tell me that you haven't experienced failure. Not even once. Because I do believe and I do know that everyone has experienced failure. It's something that I've observed from my friends, relatives, and all the people that I've been with. Failure is something that we always experience no matter what. Ito kasi guys, ang fear ng failure or fear of failing is something na prevent us from being a successful person. Just imagine this, guys. You want to apply, let's say, to work, or you want to apply for a job. Let's take for example a call center post. You want to apply as a call center agent, and then after one or two tries that you failed, you feel the pain. Kasi masasaktan ka eh. It's something that you feel as a rejection. Na-reject ka sa company na gusto mong pasukan, and because of that, takot ka na ulit mag-apply. You feel na if ever I apply again, ganun na naman yung mangyayari. So, what's the point? So, kung ganun yung iniisip nyo guys, do you think you'd ever get a job? If you fear of getting rejected, then that's something that will definitely prevent you from being a successful person one day. Or let's say na-hire ka na, nag-start ka na, nag-work ka na, under training ka pa lang. You're training to be a call center representative or a call center agent. However, you found out na napakahirap pala or nahihirapan ka sa process. Nahihirapan ka in your communication. Now, you're going to tell your trainer or your supervisor na I want to resign because ang hirap pala. That is not an acceptable reason. So, imagine, just because naka-experience ka ng difficulty, you're going to quit? Why not, instead of quitting, why not work on those weaknesses that you have? Kung nahihirapan ka, then study harder. You can approach your trainer or whoever your supervisor is, let them know what particular part of the training are you having difficulty. So that way, you can improve yourself and be successful. Instead, because nahihirapan ka, you're going to quit. That's simply not acceptable. Or let's say na-endorse ka na sa production and you're already taking in calls or doing whatever you're supposed to do, but then your metrics is failing, and you feel na you're not worthy to be on that floor taking in those calls or doing those jobs, writing those emails or whatnot, then why not, instead of quitting because you're having difficulty, work on those weaknesses. Ask help if needed. Ask your supervisor, team lead, I'm having difficulty on this part, how can I improve it? Trainer, I'm having difficulty understanding this part. How do I work on this? instead of you quitting because you're experiencing difficulty. How about career failures? You're someone who has been in the company for a long time. You want to get promoted, but because of your fear of failing on that role, you just simply settle to the post that you have. Gusto mong mag-apply as a team leader, but you think you're not qualified? Why not apply as a team leader? Or even before applying as a team leader, why not work on those weaknesses that you think will prevent you from doing that job? Gusto mong maging manager sa trabaho mo ngayon, but you feel you're not yet ready? Then why not work on those weaknesses for you to be ready? Work on your weaknesses instead of quitting. Instead of settling down on what you have. Why not achieve more? Or let's put it on another perspective. Let's say you're someone who's already happy with what you're doing. You're happy with the job you have, and you're not really seeking for any career growth in that company. However, you want something new. You want to start a vlog, or you want to start a business. However, because of that fear of failing on those aspects, you just simply don't try because you're too afraid of people's criticism if they saw your vlog, or if you're afraid to lose your investment if you start a business. That will prevent you from growing. That will prevent you from being successful. Because failure is an essential part of us learning. We need to make mistakes, and we need to experience failure in order for us to learn and improve. Failure should make us stronger because we learn from our mistakes. If, for example, you started out a business, you tried a business, and you fail. You lose an investment or so, right? Learn from that. What aspect of the business did I fail? Is it my marketing? Is it how I posted online? Find out what aspect of that business did you fail on. So that way, you can review, learn from it, and the next time that you start your business, you will be more successful. Okay? Let's say you started out a vlog and people criticized you. Take those criticism, take those comments, and improve. Learn from it. You failed in application, you failed in, let's say, your typing speed or your initial interview, you will get feedbacks from the interviewer. Take those feedbacks, improve on it, learn from it, and the next time that you try to apply, you will move on to the next step. Let's say you're already working in a call center. You failed in a particular metric. Saang part ka nagkamali? Ano yung kailangan mong ayusin? Ayusin mo. Hindi yung mag-quit ka na lang. Or let's say, sa trabaho nyo, may nakita kang someone na gusto mong ligawan or maging ka-relationship eventually. However, you're too afraid to fail. You're too afraid to approach her and be rejected. Why not try it? Now, if ever she or he rejected you, then, you can ask yourself what went wrong, and from there, improve upon it. Failure should make us stronger. It should not be something that will define who we are. Because guys, ito lang ang masasabi ko. Every successful person experienced failure once in their life or multiple times even. Trivia tayo. In order for me to prove na all successful person has experienced failure. Michael Jordan was cut off from his varsity team in high school because he was not good enough. And imagine how he turned out to be, right? One of the best player who ever played the game. For those of you who watch Miss Universe, be aware of that, right? She failed multiple times in the pageant before she was crowned Miss Universe. Do you guys know there was a person who was fired from the newspaper he was working for because he was told that he lacks imagination? That's Walt Disney. There was a person who was demoted from being an anchor because she was told she's not fit for TV. And that's Oprah Winfrey. Name everyone from Henry C. to Elon Musk. Every one of them experienced failure. Why won't you experience failure? Everyone should experience failure, learn from it, and be better because of it. My case in point, guys, there is no successful person who has never failed. Once you experience failure, accept it, embrace it, learn from it, and try again. And the only time that failure will define you as a person is when you stop trying. Till next time, see you on my next video.